Hi, this is Josh, your EdTech Spec, and today we're going to be looking at a pretty cool Google Docs add-on called Docutube, and it allows you to have your students play YouTubes without leaving their Google Doc. So it works by you first embedding or even just pasting links into a Google Doc of videos that you want your kids to look at. So in my example here, you see I have this sort of table, and you don't have to set it up in a table, but I'd set up this table with the title of the video and then the links to the video. But the other cool thing is you don't have to just use the raw link. If I click on this, you can see that this is actually a YouTube link. I've just embedded it in that text. So once you've gone to the Chrome Web Store and added the Docutube add-on, you come to your add-ons menu, and you see Docutube right here, and you have two options. If it's important to see the video large, then we're going to show in a pop-up, and I'll show you briefly what that looks like. So what it does, I had 4 links. What it does is it brings up a video window for each of the links in the order that they were presented. And you see, if I go ahead and click here, the video will play and I haven't left the dock. Okay guys, I've been saying I was going to make this for days, and I am going to remake it in Camtasia. Okay, so that's the pop-up view. Now, what if you want your students to continue working, or they need to listen and watch the video and take notes or respond some way to some activity that you have on the screen? Well, then you have the show in sidebar. And again, that brings them up in the order that they appear on the page. So oh, I better not play that one. I don't have the copyrights to that. But in any case, let's try this one. Hi, this is Josh, your EdTech Spec, and today we're going to be talking about inserting tables into Google Docs. And you see that is a little small, but the audio should be pretty clear. And the really nice thing about this is, in terms of classroom use, is our kids stay in the document. YouTube is a great tool, but as you probably know, it can be kind of a distraction for our kids and offers them a lot of choices. Here you notice that the pre-roll ads, the ads right before, don't seem to be going. I also am running the ad block for YouTube extension, which works really well with these. But if you had a bunch of videos, your kids wouldn't have to be coming back and forth to the link. And now, if you didn't want to set this up in slides where you can totally embed video, you can have video running and working on a doc side by side. You can send a list of YouTube links in a doc, and the kids can open it here or in the pop-up version. I think this has a lot of great educational applications. And again, that's the Docutube Google Docs add-on. There you go, and happy Googling.